When talking about Einhell, the first thing that comes to mind is versatility. They have a massive range of tools, both corded and cordless, that span across a wide range of trades and applications. I mean, just looking at it, you've got your combi drills, you've got your standard tools, all the way through to your garden tools, and even a window cleaner. They have got everything to keep you covered. But not just that, they do all of the jobs and cover it with a very appealing price point. That's right, the power to price ratio of Einhell tools, some of the best in the market. If you are looking to get the most bang for your buck, then Einhell have you covered. Like I said, they have you covered both corded and cordless. They're leaning more towards the cordless stuff now with their fantastic 18-volt power exchange range. Now, these batteries work in a whole host of tools. Like I mentioned, you've got your standard bread and butter, you've got the likes of your combi drill, you've got your 18-volt circular saw as well. But it doesn't stop there. If you're looking for a nice fence paint spray gun, they've got you covered there, all running off of the same battery. Here are a couple of other, quirkier products that are compatible with your 18-volt power exchange batteries. Right here, you've got a USB adapter. So if you are ever running out of charge on your phone, if you ever need to plug something into charge, then you can just slap this on top of your 18-volt power exchange battery and you'll be getting a bit of power out of there. And you can also do that with this impressive Bluetooth speaker. Now, you've seen quite a few job site radios. We've talked about quite a few in the past. I'm a bit of an audiophile. I love me some music, so I'm always pretty protective over audio quality. But look at the form factor on that. Look at how small and nimble this speaker is, and you're thinking, but if it's small, it's probably not going to be able, you're not going to get the sound that you expect from some of the bigger job site radios in the market. You will be surprised with this Bluetooth speaker. Really, really impressive sound from this, but of course that form factor, nice and small and perfect for anyone on a budget. And you've got a USB port on the back, so just like the adapter there, you can plug your phone in, keep anything charged with this as well. Lovely. But all of that can run off of the same battery, and that is the beauty of Einhell, is not only are they giving you that price to power, like I mentioned before, but it's that versatility, the range of the tools that you can get on hand. And I barely mentioned the fact that they've got a whole host of gardening tools as well. Einhell are actually really well known for the high quality of their lawnmowers, and of course, that also runs on Einhell Power Exchange. Of course, there are corded models too, because they're Einhell. They have got you covered one way or another. There's so much more as well. I like my small little, your small little handheld garden tools. You've got a pruning saw, you've got a small hedge trimmer. Well, I'm just gonna interject quickly because I've just spotted this tool and I've got to talk about it, okay? This is the Einhell High Presso pressure washer. This is an 18-volt power exchange pressure washer, but look at how small and nimble this is. Of course, you've got the battery at the bottom, so that's your power source sorted, so you don't have to be faffing about with any sort of cable or one of those bigger units. You don't have to be faffing about with any of that. Just connect your water source, pull the trigger, and away you go. If you were looking for something small and nimble to get the job done, especially when you're pressure washing, if you're out in the garden, if you're cleaning the car, anything like that, this is a fantastic bit of kit to pick up, especially because it runs off of the same battery that you'd be using in your other tools. Lovely bit of kit. If you were picking up some tools, and you're looking for the best value for money that you can get, Einhell have you covered with that, especially with their corded tools as well. And I know that that's something that doesn't get mentioned much these days. Everyone's kind of moved on. We're in the future now. Everything's got to be cordless. But if you're looking for a stationary workshop setup, and you're trying to do that on a budget, Einhell is the perfect way to go. The likes of your table saws, your miter saws, and so much more at a nice, affordable price. Of course, that German engineering comes in clutch time and time again. It is worth mentioning that with Einhell tools, the warranty is absolutely brilliant. Just to put your mind at ease even more, 3-year warranty on tools, 3-year warranty on batteries, and a whopping 10-year warranty on their brushless motors. So you can rest assured your tools are always going to be ready to get the job done. Shop all Einhell now at its.co.uk.